I have a 10-year-old Carrier Infinity system that keeps giving me a range error, code 56. I've replaced the OAT/OCT sensor and also the OAT sensor that runs to the outside of the cabinet, and still get the error every afternoon, 255 instances. I originally had some dirty coils on the outside, but cleaned them up, and now have about 10 to 14 degrees difference between coil and air temperature, per the service menu at checkout of my thermostat. Which is right in range. Thoughts?
Hello and thanks for using this service. If you have been waiting, do not worry or get upset. I'm just one of the techs on here and I try to get to as many customers as I can, and I just picked up your question now. Please give me time to respond. Sometimes I get your replies late, so there may be a significant delay in responses. Please be patient, and often I will ask you questions to narrow down the issue to get it diagnosed correctly. Often the board goes bad not reading the sensor correctly. Most times you just need a new board when that code starts to come up and you have changed the sensor. If you are not happy with the service, please let me know before leaving a negative rating. This is the only way I am paid or credited through the site for my time. This will also allow you to get directly back to me for free follow-up questions, and tips are greatly appreciated. Thanks.
But my thermostat shows the correct temps and not a range error. Why would that be right and the board be wrong? And are you referring to the board in the outside unit or the inside? The OAT that is mounted outside of the cabinet is connected directly to the inside blower board, the other OAT is connected to the board at the compressor. I obviously don't want to replace an expensive board just to rule it out. Is there any way to test the board? And does the issue cause the unit to not work properly?
Where are you getting the range error?
In the service menu of the thermostat.
Have you replaced both sensors?
I replaced both the combination of OAT/OCT sensor, one plug, two sensors, and the one outside of the outdoor unit, that appears to be direct wired up to the board at the blower unit in the house.
Well, if it is all clean and the wiring from the sensor is good to the board, there is really not much else that could cause that issue.
Temperature readings at the thermostat also appear accurate, did before I changed out the sensors, too.
That is why I am saying the board is not reading them correctly and throwing the error.
Is the outdoor or the indoor board?
The indoor board.
The unit appears to cool fine. Does this need to be replaced, or is it just an annoyance? Board in the blower unit then.
It is just an annoyance, yes, the board in the blower unit. I would not worry about it too much.
10 to 4 thanks.
No problem.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/YTHI.